Welcome back to Taj's Garden. I'm the gardening realtor. If you're new here, I'm glad you're here, and if you're returning, welcome back. So today we're going to be going inside of Dollar Tree, and I'm actually going to tell you guys what to get as a beginner gardener, what not to get, and what I would get as an experienced gardener. So let's start with the seeds. I have never had any issues out of the seeds from Dollar Tree, so I definitely recommend this. They are very cost effective, 3 for $1.50. Last year they were a little bit cheaper, but still not bad. They have a pretty decent variety. I would not get these plastic watering stakes. These are a waste of money. It's barely going to water your plants. The cheapest thing you can do is use a old wine bottle and just fill the entire wine bottle up and put it upside down in the soil, and you'll get a better use out of that wine bottle than you will this little watering stake. So if you're a beginner gardener and you're looking at this is not a good deal. Next up are the planters. As you can see, Dollar Tree has a lot of variety when it comes to pots and containers to grow your plants in. I definitely recommend Dollar Tree planters because, for one, they're cheap and they hold up pretty good. They have a pretty good variety. I have recommended in the past for people to get these and do like a little strawberry tower, and that is good, but one thing I will say about this is that since it's such a small space, you would need to plant small things. So things like lettuce or herbs will be perfect in here. You just want to make sure that you either have it on a drip system or water as often as possible, because these do dry out pretty quickly. And the reason they dry out so quickly is because of the limited amount of soil space. Next, these are so cute. It's a 3-pack for $1.50, so that is not bad either. I got these last year and I love them. I actually grow chamomile in it and other herbs, and they have done amazing. I did start with mint in there too, and I ended up moving the mint because I wanted it to grow bigger, but those are great for herbs. Another thing I wouldn't get are these little clay pots, 3 for $1.50. If you're getting these to put fake plants in, go ahead, but if you are getting this to put alive plants, and it's a waste of money, they're going to grow out of this so quick and you just spent $1.50. So what else are you going to use it for after the plant grows out of it? Same with this one. This is a little bigger, but I don't think it's worth $1.50 because by the time you put the plant in here, it won't stay in here very long before it's time to get a bigger pot. Something that I would not get are these. These grow your own kits are a waste of money. I know that they are geared for beginner gardeners, hence that right there, my first garden. But when you're buying a little container with one seed for $1.50, that is just outrageous. When you can get an entire pack of seeds for probably less than that. And in this case, you can get 3 packs for $1.50, 3 packs of seeds for $1.50 at Dollar Tree. So this is just a waste of money. Same thing with these other little grow your own kits, tomato. All of these, you have parsley and all these other little grow your own kits. I think it's a waste of money. This compressed cocoa core is, I think it's a waste of money as well, because you're spending $1.50 on something that's not going to really get you that far. It's probably just going to be enough for one pot. I would not get these plant labels here, 10 for $1.50, when places like Amazon sell in some cases a group of 100 or a group of 50 for just that cheap. So just make sure that you do your research and see where you are really getting a deal at, because this is not a deal. Same with these plant clips. You can get a way better deal on places like Amazon or other websites. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at that. Now, I really like these because you can grow herbs in this. If you have a windowsill, you can sit this on top, and it has the holes at the bottom. You will just use a screwdriver and push it in and it'll pop out. But these are perfect for herbs. And this is too, or strawberries. Now this is cute, and I think it's worth it as well. They actually have the little wheels at the bottom where you can wheel it around, but this is a plant tray where you can also bottom water your plant. So that is definitely worth the money, $1.50. Now, as a beginner gardener, I would not get this as a seed starting greenhouse. For one, it doesn't even have any holes at the bottom for drainage, and if you try to poke holes in it, it's just going to ruin the entire thing. I think this is a waste of money. This is really, really cute, and this is actually the first time I'm seeing one that's this long. This is perfect for strawberries and herbs. So out of all of these pots and planters, that's probably the only two that I would say no to. I also wouldn't mind getting these little flower blends. That's a pretty decent price. And of course, I'm a organic gardener, so I would advise against getting that type of soil. Those are the gardening supplies that I would recommend you get, and the ones that I think is a waste of money. The seeds, I 100% recommend them. I have not had any experience of them not growing on me or having the wrong plant grow out of the seed pack, which I don't devalue anybody else's experience. I can only speak for my own. I do know that a couple of people have expressed having the same issue with seeds from other places as well. Google Peppergate, that just happened probably 2 years ago. So I don't think that that is specific to Dollar Tree. But if you have had that experience, let me know down in the comments. And if you have any questions, also let me know down in the comments. If you have not already subscribed, please subscribe, hit that notification bell. And if you want to be part of an amazing gardening community on Facebook, head on over to Facebook, type in Prosper and Plant, and I'll see you over there.